Utopian ideas and fantasies, like all ideas and fantasies, grow out of the society in which they are a response. Neither the ancient world nor the modern world is an unchanging entity, and all analysis of utopian thinking, which neglects social changes in the course of history, or either antiquity or modern times, is likely at some point to go badly wrong. I have no more faith than a grain of mustard seed in the future of civilization, which I know is doomed to destruction. And probably before every long, what a joy it is to think of how often it consoles me to think of barbarism, once more floating the world in real feelings and passions, however rudimentary, taking the place of our wit. I really, I used really to despair because I thought that the idiots of our day called progress would go on perfecting itself. Happily, I know that all will have a sudden check. We are living in a world in which nobody is free, in which hardly anybody is secure, in which it is almost impossible to be honest and remain free. The decline of utopia and the rise of nightmare cuisine is parallel in the history of the surrealist century, which is at once the partial fulfillment of my 19th century dreams and their negation. We live in the midst of a historical crisis in which our choices are between utopia and the end of civilization, in which we are present with the existential paradox of an unnecessary utopia.